fights on reality shows are just for TRP.
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Come on, girl. 90% yes. People fight because of TRP.
True love happens only once.
जितनी बार प्यार किया, इतनी बार तो किया नहीं है, but
जितनी बार प्यार किया उतनी बार लगा, यही है ना?
Not once for sure. I will be very sad then if it's only once. No, not once. I don't want to sell this mentality.
Okay, so we have reality Ranis on the Good Girls show today. Irina and Hia, welcome on the show.
thank you.
Hello.
So excited. Firstly, I want to begin straight away with कैसा था experience reality Ranis का? I'm sure you've answered this multiple times.
Countless times.
Countless times. But if you just had to, like for starters, if you just had to sum up your experience in one line, what would you say?
This show will break everything. Like everything टूटेगा. Body टूटेगा, दिमाग टूटेगा, मन टूटेगा, सब टूटेगा. Any relationship टूटेगा, रिश्ता है टूटेगा. Like completely, because every day you gonna go through something that on the normal life you don't go through this. But that's what I'm grateful for, because I feel this show have grown all of us so much.
Personally, on a personal level.
तो शो का नाम द गुड गर्ल्स शो है. सो बिफोर वी गेट इनटू अ फन सेगमेंट, मुझे बताओ कि have you been called or have you been asked to be a good girl?
So from the very beginning, I think I'm the elder child. So, you know, that they want you to be so perfect in everything, from grades to the way you dress up, to the way you sit, to the way you talk. You have to be like, hanji, hanji. You know, you cannot raise your voice. या आपका opinion नहीं matter करता है किसी के लिए भी. So I think we all are here to break all the stereotypes and all the boxes they put us in.
Yeah.
But yeah, I wish people thought otherwise, but the reality is way different.
I was young and I had a brother, Bahu, like he's elder to me. So I feel like मैं इस तरफ जा, उस तरफ जा, and ये सब boys है. So like I feel like I wanted to be a good girl, because like I could see, especially when the age came when you drag the attention from the boys, because like and they're not paying attention to you and you're thinking like, what is wrong with me? They're wrong with you that you like. But as a hero, I'm like, I've grown up this way and I'm like still this way. This is my favorite outfits and I will still go with the boys everywhere and stuff like this. So I feel like I wanted to be a good girl, but I never executed that part.
That's interesting. I mean, who is a good girl anyway, right? That's what we're trying
What
to
is a good girl?
What is a good girl anyway?
There's no definition.
Okay, so let's dive a little more into your girlhood, and uske liye we have something fun. It's called the Good Girls Report Card. तो इस पर जो पहला पार्ट है, it's called I've been called.
हाँ.
कुछ words है and आपको मुझे बताना है कि वो कौन से words हैं जो लोगों ने आपके लिए use किए हैं.
Talkative, though it's quite the opposite now. Sensitive for sure, because उनको लगता है ना लड़कियाँ छोटी छोटी बात पे रोना शुरू कर देती है या छोटी छोटी बातें चुप जाती है. Dramatic तो नहीं. I've always been a girl's girl. I always support girls.
Because you also have a sister, no?
Yeah.
So I think उससे भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, right?
Rebel for sure. Come on, look at me. I'm a model. You know, Indian households they look at models in a very different way. Not just households every single person who looks at you, it's like पता नहीं क्या ही कर रहे हो, कि आप इंसान तो हो ही नहीं. You're looked upon, you're objectified in a very weird way. So
really, did you face that, like even within your own circle?
Yup, I did. Luckily, my mom has always been on my side, so I'm really thankful for that. And उन्होंने हर एक को जवाब दिया है मेरे लिए. She's like, I know my daughter way too well, so keep her mouth shut.
Amazing.
Yeah, and my sister, I think.
तो क्या perceptions होते हैं लोगों के यार models को लेकर?
पता नहीं, that you know, it's just about a pretty face. इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. But I have stood in heels for 12 hours. हम एक दिन काम पे जाते हैं, हमारे steps, you know, 10 से 20,000 के बीच में होते हैं, and people think we just stand still and look pretty. That's it. It's way much more than that.
Okay, what else have you been?
Opinionated.
How can you have an opinion if you have a pretty face?
Yeah, exactly. That's always a question.
Okay, Irina, coming to you.
Brave, and bossy, not in a good way, like call that not in a good way. लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा ambition है, तो people says like, be easier, people loves that. Be quieter, people loves that. And like this super ambitious things, they used to take it in the wrong way, I feel. And even it shut me off like for good 3-4 years, I say. And I didn't have the dad to help with education or something like this. I say, I'll do it, you sit and watch. That's the attitude, and that's the attitude people didn't like. So I feel like
They called you bossy.
they called me
because you
bossy,
were
they called me
ambitious.
brave because I was very ambitious. And I felt like I struggled so much in my life because of that. Like, I felt it's like it's very traumatic, I would say. Like, it's difficult to come over that.
I want to ask you a question, Irina. Like, जैसे हिया बात कर रही थी about how there are certain judgments that come with being a model, right? You've been a dancer when you are doing background dancing. It is not always looked at very respectfully. What kind of judgments have you faced?
It's even in my country. Like, my dad was against this. It was a huge conflict in the family. And I've been called names, you know. To be honest, I've been called like, what is this profession? It's a profession of a prostitute, so what? I've been called that also. And when people say this, I cannot say it's like mujhe nahi parat padta. I guess I've become so like steel inside, like in a way of like I've become like made of metal for all these phrases. If you not survive in Mumbai like 3 months, people don't survive, they go back home. Rent is very expensive. And we are standing there sometimes in the hills, like Hia says as well, on the ramp walk, the way they walk 12 hours. Same here. Our shift is 13.5 every day. We've been screamed like hell on us when we background dancers. And like, kisi ko respect nahi diya. This is what I would love to change it. And I'm not hiding that, yes, I start my career here in Bollywood from background dancer, and I'm not shy of it. And even till day now, it's my bread and butter.
Absolutely, and I mean, work is work at the end of the day. And yeah, thank you for sharing this, because I do know that so many people actually face this. We'll do something interesting now again, which is called reality check. Okay. Because you've been on reality Ranis, you've been on reality shows, so मैं आपको कुछ statements दूंगी, and you have to give your opinion on that. Basically, do you agree or do you not agree? Okay. You never get over your first love.
Agree.
Really?
Really.
Disagree. I think with time you move on.
Oh, nice.
That's how you're supposed to live. I mean, you can.
Interesting. Irina, why did you say agree?
She's still stuck.
I'm not stuck. I'm romanticizing that a lot.
Oh wow.
Lekin kitty butterfly hai in the stomach. You don't get that later.
Yeah.
Later to the you will switch it on your brain. It's like, okay, tum kaun hai? आपका परिवार कौन है? कितना पैसा है और कितना whatever. Like you will start.
Yeah, you
who's your
practicals,
ex?
yeah.
How much you behaved? Then your brain start analysis everything. In first love कुछ नहीं है, समुंदर के जा, प्यार है, हो गया. So I see like that's the bad. You never come out of it.
Nice. Interesting. Okay, next one. Winning a reality show guarantees a career in entertainment. You know, people think that reality shows are a shortcut to stardom.
No, disagree. There are a lot of people, a lot of contestants who are actually not as much seen as they should be. So expectation sabki yahi hoti hai ki ek reality show kiya and you're boom somewhere there. But you got to keep working hard after that to sustain. It's a difficult market, and there are a lot of people struggling for that one spot. So
Correct. You also agree?
That's
Irina?
not true. I'm agree. Like I'm disagree. If you win one and you like be there, but I would say hard work will get you everywhere.
yeah.
The win in one things, क्या फायदा है? एक महीना फेम है और एक वर्षा, एक साल.
New season comes, new contestants are there.
New faces are there. There's so many people.
Consistency.
It's not this.
It's not as easy as it looks.
Not at all.
Right. Okay. Friendships on reality shows are strategic and not real.
A little bit of both, I think. Yeah. Depends on how much you work together on things, how much you communicate after the show, if you want to still stay in touch. But log camera ke liye bhi bahut kuch karte hain. They make alliances and all of that. So I think it's a little bit of both.
Yeah.
I would say would not be strategic from my end at least, because even from Pele reality show I have a friends and we in touch like once in a week at least, call kiya. And I feel even after this show I
Yeah.
have a few friends as well to carry through the life if they want. अगर mutual है तो
Yeah.
ठीक है, mutual नहीं है तो I will not.
तो real friendships बन सकती हैं
बन
basically.
बन सकती
बन
हैं।
सकती है. Okay. A partner should complete you. Do you agree?
No.
Disagree.
Not at all. You complete yourself. I mean, that's just an addition. I think जब तक आप खुद से अच्छे से satisfied नहीं हो, complete feel नहीं करते हो, you should not even think about getting into a relationship, to be very honest. Be happy, be at peace within yourself, and then, yeah.
True friends always support your relationship choices.
I think that's not the case ever. They'll always question your choices.
They always question your
They'll
choices,
always
na?
question
Yeah.
your choices.
Yeah, no, Irina, you don't think so?
मुझे तो नहीं फर्क पड़ता, लेकिन प्यार है तो है, मुझे नहीं सुन रहा हो, कोई भी नहीं सुन रहा हो. I love you separate, I love them separate.
No, I feel that कभी-कभी friends आपको वो चीज दिखा देते हैं जो
जो आप
आप
नहीं
खुद नहीं
देखते
देख
हो,
पाते,
yeah.
right? Like
Yep.
they help you spot red flags.
A
That
different
you cannot-
perspective they
Yeah,
give
that
you.
you
I
cannot-
get it. I feel like my friends are scared of me so much that they're not telling me because they know that मैंने नहीं सुन रहा हूँ. And this is like ठीक है, पहले तो आजा, टी लेके जाओ, केक लेके जाओ, when I come and cry, and they say like,
मैंने
We
बोला
wanted to
था,
tell you.
I
Yeah,
told
मैंने तो पहले
you.
बोला था.
Okay. Success in this industry is all about luck.
disagree.
No, I think it's about hard work and again consistency. That's it. Luck काम करता है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो struggle कर रहे हैं. सबको काम करना है, but बहुत कम लोगों को opportunity मिलती है वहाँ तक पहुँचने की भी. Some people they deserve it way much more than others, but they are nowhere to be seen. So luck काम करता है.
You know what I don't like is when जब आपके हार्ड वर्क को लोग लक का नाम दे देते हैं. Right? When they just say, "Oh, you're so lucky. You're
Yeah.
lucky." भाई मैंने
Yeah.
मेहनत भी की है. Like I understand where you're coming from. Sure, luck has been on my side, but it's not just luck, यार. So I just feel that sometimes people don't get to see कि आपने कितनी मेहनत की है. वो दिखता है कि आप successful हो तो आप बहुत lucky हो सिर्फ.
I feel like there's an example like people who gym in and they says like, oh, okay, you have a good body, but they don't understand that the diet is 90% of it or 80% of it. So I would say the same things here. Hard work is 80, 90 and luck is just a 10%. अगर तुम use नहीं किया, it's your problem.
Yeah.
Okay, next one. You can't be friends with your ex.
I agree.
You agree that you cannot be
You cannot
friends.
be friends with your ex.
Okay.
I close my chapters. Like once it's done for me.
Book shut.
Books shut.
Money can't buy happiness.
True.
Agree.
You agree money can't buy
100%.
happiness?
I'm agree.
100%.
Okay, I have a little of a disagreement here. I think money can buy happiness.
Money can buy materialistic things.
Yeah,
for
but then
sure.
that gives you happiness, no?
Not really.
Like if
I've been through both, so that's
Not
why
really.
I
I
think
think people who are really rich and have it all still don't have that one thing that's happiness and inner peace. So that you have to work on, within yourself. Money can't buy that.
yeah.
Next one, true love happens only once. सच्चा
Disagree.
प्यार आपको एक ही बार हो सकता है. Disagree. Okay.
जितनी बार प्यार किया इतनी बार तो किया नहीं है but
Yes. It's so sad.
यही है.
I would have been stuck to that only, right? You feel different with every. First of, I was thinking like, okay, something wrong. I don't love this person the way I love the first one.
Yes.
I used to judge myself. Like I used to not understand. Like,
Also, as a
because-
person,
yeah.
you grow so much with every relationship, right?
Yeah. So like I feel not once. Not once for sure. I will be very sad then if it's only once. No, not once. I don't want to send this mentality.
I want to find love.
Yeah. Bigger and true.
Yeah. And last one. Fights on reality shows are just for TRP.
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Really? Oh no. Come on, girl. 90% yes.
हाँ झगड़े TRP के लिए
Yeah?
सिर्फ
90% of the fights. What are you saying, babe?
I don't know because
People
I feel
fight
like
because of
everything is
TRP.
real.
People fight because of TRP. It's so evident.
I mean, it makes sense how they
See,
behave off
अगर
camera
आपने
now,
एक
but
कप उठाया है और आप उस पे झगड़ा कर रहे हो, आप लाइफ में तो नहीं करोगे ना?
हाँ सही बात है.
You wouldn't do that in your real life, right?
Yeah, I want. Camera ban kiya, so then I can
There's
see
a
it.
switch, a
Yeah.
flip in the personality. Yeah,
Really.
a lot of people.
In
yeah.
some people, yes.
But अच्छी friendships बनी?
Bunny.
Yeah, did you make
Yes.
like connections? Like आप लोग
Yes.
दोनों का bond कैसा था? How did you like?
I feel we still searching each other because agar we didn't spend that much time. We never been
we
in the
did
same
not.
team.
Yeah, we were.
And we never spent outside as well.
We were always
I
on
feel
good terms. ऐसा
He
कुछ नहीं
should
है.
come to Bombay. Bombay रहते हो तो we chill करते हैं and it's gonna be. I feel very good about her. That's for sure. And I feel we can get along well
Yeah.
easily. And
She
we have.
keeps saying that.
Yeah.
Nice. So what is that one thing that you really liked about her? And Irina, same for Hia. बताओ.
I think her fighting spirit. She is like a little mad in her head. She's like, if this is what I want, this is what I want. It's as simple
पाहिजे
as
म्हणजे
that.
पाहिजे.
हाँ, आगे पीछे कुछ what?
पाहिजे म्हणजे पाहिजे.
हाँ, जो
बस.
चाहिए वही चाहिए.
वो.
या आगे पीछे कुछ नहीं देखती है ये लड़की. She's like, मेरा दिमाग यहाँ है, मतलब मुझे ये करना है. That's it.
Nice.
Really like that. I
Yeah.
respect that. And also, she plays on the front foot. She'll never hide what she's doing like other people. I really respect people like that. Like, really do.
Yeah.
How sweet. Irina?
I admire her beauty. I just like. I mean, she's a goddess. Did you see the profile? Sub profile दिखाऊंगी.
Profile right.
Seriously,
Profile
everything. Like, and I love the attitude. I love the upbringing. She's like, she has this queen attitude. Like, you know.
Very sweet.
And no matter there is a fight, there's ugly fight. Very ugly fight. She keep her face. You know what I mean? It's like, I also feel you don't go down.
Yeah.
So this is what I like. She will stay to the point and she's keeping her face. Like this attitude, the queen attitude.
That's
Very
amazing.
sweet.
Yeah.
That's
So
very
good to hear that. Yeah, मुझे बताओ कि आपने mental health के बारे में बहुत बात की है, right? And you keep talking about it. And I genuinely want to know कि कहाँ से आया वो? Where did that come from? When did you feel the need कि मुझे इसके बारे में बात करनी है?
Okay, so I think मैंने सबसे पहले बात की थी on my show because उससे पहले you know when as a normal person I'm gonna be very straightforward. अगर आप mental health की बात करते हो, people think you're crazy. But if a public person speaks about the same thing, people are like, oh my God, she's been through so much or he's been through so much. उनका life में इतना struggle था. You know, they've dealt with things that we can't even imagine about. So मैंने बात करना शुरू किया and I got a lot of love about it. मुझे बहुत सारे texts आए from common people. They were like, thank you for speaking up. We're going through the same thing. I'm getting goosebumps right now. Yeah, so I think इसके बारे में इतनी बात नहीं होती है. Like everyone talks about physical health, you know, working out, and it's so difficult for me to make people understand this thing. If you're sick, if you have fever, तब आपको medicine चाहिए. That is okay. If you have कुछ disease which is physical, that is okay. Just because you can't see a people suffering physically doesn't mean they're not suffering. People just don't understand that point, and it gets really dark. It gets really, really, really dark. I was in depression, and there was a point where I was like, it is the end. Like, you know, there's nothing in this world for me. And I knew there was this one hope, pata nahi kahan se aayi. I think it's my family. And I was like, it's time to get help. And I got it. I recovered. I had relapse after that, 2-3 baar. But I came out of it. And I think more and more and more people should talk about it. I got a tattoo, a semicolon. Yeah, it's like, it just keeps reminding me that, you know what, girl, just keep going on. And I'm so glad I did not end. I am so glad to be here. It is really difficult. Yeah, I still sit and sometimes think about all of that, but this life is worth it.
Of course.
It's worth living, and all of us are worth it, no matter what.
Thank you so much for sharing, and I hope you're in a better place now. And thank you for talking about this, because you are right कि एक इंसान भी अगर बात करता है, especially if it's out there, you know, in public, और बहुत लोगों को वो हिम्मत मिल जाती है बात करने की. And more than हिम्मत, I also feel that sometimes just that feeling is enough. Okay, that I am not alone.
Exactly.
You know, that somebody perhaps is feeling the same way as I am. So I'm so glad that. I mean, it takes a lot of courage to share and to put yourself out like that. So thank you for doing that. Irina, I want to know that you have shared that आपका जो बचपन था, you know, your childhood was not very, it was not a bed of roses, right?
No.
It was not easy at all. I want to know ki what's been like your biggest support?
I feel like we're gonna come back to the same what Hia say, because there was a moment in my life and it was very young when I decided मैंने हो जाएगा ये जिंदगी नहीं चाहिए, and it was just like maybe 13 or 14 I was, I don't remember much, and I said that like I didn't know, because exactly same mentality, people thought like if you say मैं depression हुआ or like मुझे जिंदगी नहीं चाहिए, पतक करना. My grandma would have just give me patak and say like क्या बोलते हो तुम, like, you know, sit quiet, watch your movies or whatever, watch your cartoons. But inside me, I used to go through this process, and one time I write it down in the piece of paper in the school when they was asking some questions, and that went to psychiatrist. To be honest, I didn't feel more embarrassed when, like, after 20 days I came back to school and she was searching for me. She find me, she took me into her cabinet and she started speaking to me. She said, let it out. And I was crying, like, because first I was embarrassed because somebody knows these things. I don't remember why even I wrote it that. Maybe it was like a last note, okay, मैं जाऊंगी. I don't hold grudge to anyone. I was in that stage. And I spoke to her what I feel. First things what she say, it's okay. How you feel, it's okay. I would say my hobby helped me, that I started dancing and I felt appreciated on the stage. When I hear this, and I could hear this sound forever. That's what used to keep making me go, 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 go. And then when I grew up, the word of I am enough, I just stuck it in my head. That's about it. And that's what makes you wake up next morning and you will be a little bit happier. So I guess we both been through it. So that's why it's like, that makes you strong. And you should not be shy of it. You should
Not
talk
at
about
all.
this.
Always talk about it.
Absolutely.
Always.
Yeah. Thank you, both of you, for sharing this. Okay, I also want to talk a bit about safety, especially being public figures as women. There's a cost. Okay, offline safety to hai, but online safety also. Tell me, how do your DMs look like?
I think nobody
my
would want to
gosh.
know that. Years back, I used to get a lot of DMs from these men and whatever. Some nasty comments, okay? So, really weird language, jo ki maine shayad suni bhi nahi hai. What I started doing then was, I started taking screenshots and posting it on my stories. From that point to now, people stopped texting me all the bad things.
And wo username आप blur नहीं करते थे?
No.
Yeah, I know.
They said it. I mean, come on. They had the balls to say it. I have the balls to post it.
Amazing.
You get it back. Yeah. Even if I get a comment or something, I'm like, come on, have a life, bro. I mean, chill out.
Absolutely.
My experience little different, because I would say maybe ye kismat hai of protection. Maybe somebody protecting me from behind of like, what is this online internet wala angel, because my baddest DMs is like, hi babe. I'm like, kya? I'm like,
Hi, babe.
कौन babe है आणि अब कौन है, first of all. So like that's what makes me pissed sometimes, but I'm ignoring it now. The rest is like, hi, how are you and stuff like this. I don't get that straightforward like Jyotika message.
That's
seriously,
nice.
I'm like,
It's amazing.
agar you get, I will do same what he had done.
Yeah.
Directly.
Call it out.
With this.
Okay, so now we have a segment which is called The Firsts. Okay, but this is about your experience, being on Reality Ranis. So these are firsts about that. First time you felt like giving up on the show. You can avoid spoilers that you want to avoid, but
In the middle of the ocean. जब कुछ नहीं दिख रहा था, ना destination, जहाँ से कूदे, कुछ नहीं था. I was like, God, please save me. But मुझे पता था I had to save myself. कुछ नहीं था आसपास. That was the time.
So I will not say it. There was time in the show when I wanted to leave, like really leave. I won and I wanted to leave. I won the task and I wanted to leave.
Okay. First connection or friendship you formed with a contestant. पहली दोस्ती, पहला connection.
Sam, Samyukta Hegre.
So,
Jai Shri.
Jai Shri for
Yeah.
first task that really pushed you to your limits. Like it really challenged you in a good way.
First survival task, which was not even mine. That's really challenged me.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Samundar was very angry that day. बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा.
What can you do with
Samundar was not agree with my decisions, I guess, that day. बहुत गुस्सा है. So it was very challenging that task.
So कभी gym तो किया नहीं है मैंने. बहुत पता नहीं कब last में gym देखा था. There was this one task जिसमें we had to run from a camp to another camp. इतना trekking, इतना चढ़ना, ये वो, it was so exhausting. I did not know I had the capability to even like do 10% of it. And जब वो खत्म हुआ, I was like, wow. I lifted 30 to 40 kgs का sandbags.
Wow.
It was huge. It was huge. And सब shocked थे. They were like, ये कैसे? I was like, मुझे भी नहीं पता है, but हो गया. That was really tough. Really tough.
But moments like this you realize कि अगर जब
Yeah, your
आती है अपने, yeah, your strength actually. जब आती है बात अपने पे तो
You do it.
you do it. Nice. Okay. First person you trusted on the show.
Samyukta Hegre.
Yeah. I don't think I ever trusted anyone on the show because at the end of the day, it's a reality TV and you're there for yourself and everyone's in it to win it. So I think I was on my own.
First time you felt that you were happy about being at the show. You felt like, wow, it's nice. I thankfully I took this decision.
I think it was just first few seconds on the boat when we was just driving, and then I really saw the dolphin.
We
I
saw
was
the
like
dolphin,
so
we were that
happy.
far.
And the girl says like, "Nay, what are you doing?" Like for the camera, I was like, "No, deck, nay." And then everyone starts seeing it, and I feel like that's the moment I felt like, "Wow, I'm so happy." That's about it.
It was
The rest
for
was
me,
challenging, good challenge.
For me, I think it was the last day of the show. My last day at the show. I was so scared signing, the show because पता नहीं, we've seen first season, right? मैंने थोड़े से episode देखे थे. I was like, मुझसे हो पाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा. It's very खतरनाक and you don't want to get injured in the show because you got to work later. So there were a lot of things going on in my head. But last day I was like, I'm so glad I got to do whatever I did because it made me a different person and get a new perspective on life altogether.
And the last one, first time you felt you could actually win. वो वाली feeling पहली बार कब आई थी कि यार ये मैं जीत सकती हूँ?
The swim, the first one, the very first challenge. वो मैंने कैसे किया मुझे ही पता है. Yeah.
I did. There was one task when I knew that मैं समुंदर के जा तो ठीक है. So like I have a chance. So that was the glimpse, like maybe for 2 minutes or something, till I was in that moment.
I finally want to ask that, when you put yourself out there, आप बहुत सारी चीजें unlearn कर रहे होते हो. There's so much of conditioning that you have to let go of to be able to reach where you girls have reached, right? So my last question is, what have you unlearned about being a girl?
Don't listen to nobody. It's just you for you at the end of the day. लोग बोलेंगे, बहुत बोलेंगे. आप अच्छा करोगे तो भी बोलेंगे, आप बुरा करोगे तो भी बोलेंगे. They're always gonna judge you. So just be yourself, do you, and don't care about anything.
Nice.
Yeah.
नहीं फर्क पड़ता. You don't care. किसी को क्या बोलूँगी?
Yeah.
You नहीं फर्क पड़ता. Only if your inner self tell you something that you done something wrong, then only pay attention to it. That's about it. And sometimes also don't pay attention to this. Go to the therapist.
Go to a therapist.
They know better. By the way, the good things about therapy, they help you grow.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. So yeah, नहीं फर्क पड़ता. That's the attitude in life. That's what you need to learn.
Well, thank you so much for being on the Good Girls show. There's a ritual on the show that will bring a smile on your faces right now.
Sunflower.
Oh, that's so cute.
See, that's what girls need.
Flowers.
Yeah.
I'm just a girl.
Thank you. Thank you. It was lovely, lovely, lovely being here.
We have to end on what Irina has left me today with. मतलब वो मैं तो t-shirt पर print करवाने वाली हूँ. So we have to end the episode on that note. Like, please, ऐसे जोर से कैमरा में देखकर बोलो.
पाहिजे म्हणजे पाहिजे.